Buying gold bullion now will change your life. In an increasingly uncertain global economic landscape, the quest for financial security and stability is paramount. For centuries, gold has been a cornerstone of wealth preservation, offering a hedge against inflation, economic downturns, and geopolitical risks. Today, investing in physical gold bullion in the form of bars or coins presents a compelling opportunity to transform your financial future. Right now, I am going to explain to you the multifaceted benefits of buying gold bullion and how it can significantly impact your life. Now, there is a timeless appeal to gold. It has fascinated humanity for millennia, symbolizing wealth, power, and prestige. And unlike paper currencies and digital assets, gold possesses intrinsic value due to its rarity, durability, and universal acceptance. And this enduring appeal can be traced back to ancient civilizations, where it was used as currency and a store of value. And this has continued for millennia. This historical continuity underscores gold's reliability as a financial asset. We just can't but help come back to it each time our own monetary experiments go wrong. And much of this is down to the financial security and wealth preservation that it offers. One of the most compelling reasons that it has stood the test of time is because of its role in preserving wealth. And unlike paper currencies, which can be printed at will, gold is a finite resource. This scarcity underpins its value and ensures that it remains a reliable store of wealth over time. And there are periods throughout history when the purchasing power of paper money has diminished due to inflation, but gold has appreciated and it has held its value, thereby protecting people's savings and wealth. Now, it acts as an inflation hedge. Inflation erodes the value of money, reducing its purchasing power, and central banks around the world have frequently resorted to printing more money to stimulate their economies, leading to higher inflation rates. And we have seen this at unprecedented levels since the 2008 global financial crisis. Gold, on the other hand, tends to increase in value during periods of devaluation. By holding gold bullion, you can protect your wealth from the adverse effects of inflation. It acts as a safe haven in times of crisis, and this is one of the many reasons why gold is renowned for its role as a safe haven asset. But it's not the only reason. During economic downturns, geopolitical tensions, and financial market volatility, investors flock to gold as a secure store of value. And we have seen this in the last couple of years alone. As Russia invaded Ukraine, tensions in the Middle East have reached worrying levels, and the US and China continue to wind each other up. And what's happened to gold? It's reached new highs. And we know that this isn't just a one-off. Historical data demonstrates that gold prices often rise during periods of uncertainty. Now, by investing in gold bullion, you can safeguard your financial portfolio against the unpredictable forces that drive market instability. And this is all part of the diversification of an investment portfolio, because you shouldn't just buy gold. It must be held as part of a diversified portfolio. Now, a well-diversified investment portfolio is crucial for minimizing risk and maximizing return. Gold bullion plays a vital role in this diversification, as its price movements often exhibit low or negative correlation with other asset classes, such as stocks and bonds. By including gold in your portfolio, you can reduce overall volatility and enhance long-term stability. And since 2003, gold has been less volatile than many equity indices, alternatives, and commodities because its scale, its liquidity, and it's a diverse source, and it's got its own diverse sources of demand. Now, at the end of this video, I'm going to pop a link in here to another video I did about this very subject. And of course, much of this portfolio diversification comes down to risk management. Investing solely in traditional assets like stocks and bonds exposes you to market-specific risks. And this is where gold is your best friend. And that's because it behaves differently to the likes of stocks and bonds in various economic conditions. Its long-term returns, liquidity, and effective diversification all benefit overall portfolio performance. And in combination, they suggest that the addition of gold can materially enhance a portfolio's risk-adjusted return. Now, historically, during stock market downturns, gold prices often rise, providing a counterbalance to falling equity prices. And this inverse relationship has helped to mitigate losses and stabilize portfolios during those turbulent times. In short, it is insurance for your portfolio. Now, gold bullion offers unparalleled liquidity and tangibility, and this sets it apart from many other investment options. The global gold market is large, it's global, and it is highly liquid. The World Gold Council estimates physical gold holdings by investors and central banks are worth approximately $5.1 trillion US. And this means that as a physical asset, It can be easily bought, easily sold, and stored, providing investors with immediate access to their wealth. And this, of course, all helps in terms of the ease of transaction. Because the global gold market is highly liquid, allowing you to buy and sell with ease, reputable dealers and financial institutions around the world, they facilitate these transactions, ensuring that you can convert your gold into cash whenever needed. And this liquidity gives you such great peace of mind, knowing that your investment is readily accessible. Now, it's not only highly liquid, but it is also tangible when you buy physical allocated bars and coins. Now, there aren't many tangible assets out there that can be so divisible and exist in such a liquid market. Unlike digital or paper assets, gold bullion offers the advantage of physical ownership, and you can hold very small amounts, such as gold coin, all the way through to huge good delivery bars. Holding tangible gold in your hands provides you such a sense of security and control over your wealth. This physical nature to it is particularly reassuring during those times of financial uncertainty, when the stability of digital or paper assets may be called into question. And the tangible nature and liquid market makes it perfect for what I often refer to as its borderless currency status. Its intrinsic worth is recognized across cultures and borders, and this makes it a reliable hedge against those currency risks we've talked about. Gold is universally accepted as a form of payment and a store of value. By holding gold bullion, you can protect your wealth from the devaluation of any single currency. You can cross borders with gold, knowing that your wealth will be the same regardless of the country you're in and what is going on with its own paper currency at that time. Now let's talk about tax. In many jurisdictions, gold bullion is subject to favourable tax treatment compared to other investment assets, and this is well worth looking into. Perhaps you're looking into holding bullion in your pension. Most likely, there are tax advantages to doing so, and understanding the tax implications of gold ownership in your country can help you optimise your estate planning strategy even more, potentially reducing the tax burden either for right now or for the future. So where are we? Gold is all about transforming your financial future. Investing in gold bullion can indeed change your life by providing financial security, portfolio diversification, and protection against those economic uncertainties. Its timeless appeal, its intrinsic value, and global acceptance make it such a unique and compelling investment choice. By understanding the benefits and the process of buying gold bullion, you can make informed decisions that will safeguard your wealth and transform your financial future. Now, whether you're looking to preserve your savings, protect against inflation, or just build a lasting legacy, gold bullion offers a reliable and enduring solution. So why don't you check out one of these videos now to help you take that next step on your gold investment journey?